Hey everyone, welcome to this week's watch list preview. I know I didn't do a video last week. There was just too much going on. It's not all bad stuff, not even mostly bad stuff. Just a lot of things going on around here. Aside from that, I'm kind of working on a little bit of a different system. It kind of ties into the strat and inside bars and whatnot, but um, just trying to add some modifications, get a little bit better entries, but more more importantly, it's something that's keeping me in trades longer. I have a habit of taking profit when I'm up 10, 15% and only looking an hour later and it's up 50%. So um, I think it's probably as much, I don't want to say mental. I mean, of course it's mental, but it's more of okay, I'm up X amount of dollars. I'm happy with that. Let me get out just to just to protect myself. Let me just get out. Um, it, I guess you could say that's mental, but it's not mental to the point where I get scared and don't know what to do. It's more of okay, I'm happy with how much I'm up. Let me go ahead and take that profit and get out. um, so I don't want to get into what I'm working on right now, but last week I had I think 3 winners over 50%. So um, that definitely helped out in the sense of keeping me in the trades longer. So I'll share that whenever the time comes, whenever I feel more comfortable. I'm still working on down and in. Still trying to down entries. The exits I have down pretty good. I'm trying to dial in entries now. So um, but with everything going on, I just didn't do a video last week. So but here's the watch list for this week. Try to make this video, keep it a little bit short. Inside weeks, there was a bunch of them. There was, I think, over 100, but I narrowed it down to what I thought looked best. I don't really like doing this. Coca-Cola and Pepsi both. I don't like doing the same things that are tied so tightly together. If this one runs, this one's probably going to run. The charts are very similar, but I like both charts, so you can either play both or pick which one you like better. So we have Oxy, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and XLP. And keep a lookout for XLP, anything in that sector, because with the sector setting up, there's likely going to be some good setups within that sector. I can't remember. I think that's actually Pepsi and Coca-Cola. I'm not real sure what else is in there. Target, Costco. If I'm thinking of the right index, let me see where it's at in here. I have XLP, yeah, Coca-Cola, Procter and Gamble, Pepsi, Walmart, Costco. So keep an eye on those. There's probably some good setups, and we can take a quick look at those in here. But the yearly chart, Oxy, the yearly chart. Pull this back up here out of the way. The year's been looking really good. The quarter looking really good. Month's looking really good. And we had an inside week. we had a 2-up hammerish candle last week, and then this isn't really a hammer candle, but it's more of a spinning top. But it closed closer to the highs. Inside candle, so we're looking for a break above 58.20. This inside candle here, and I didn't go down to the daily chart for targets on this because we had to go so far back. But the first target's going to be right here at 59.60. The second target is up here at 60.73. And then if we go way back on the weekly chart, you can see we have some more targets up here. We have, let me just zoom in back here. Target 3 we have right here at 63.42. Target 4 is here at 65.25. And target 5 is going to be up here at 68.83. So that's what I have for Oxy. Let's take a look at Coca-Cola. Scroll way back over here. Take a look at the year. It's a 2 up and it's green on the year, but it has pulled back quite a bit. And you'll see again, if you've watched my previous videos, the yellow here, those are for different time frame charts. So ignore these yellow, goldish colored levels. On the quarter, kind of the same as we are in the year. I guess we would be. It's still the first quarter, so makes sense. So on the month, not a great month. It's an outside candle, so that does create its own broadening formation. So we could, I draw my broadening formations off of weekly candles generally, but the monthly candle not looking too great. But the weekly, we had a nice inside week, nice and green. So we're looking for a break above 60.30, and then we come down to the daily for our targets. So we're looking at 60.30 for our break. The first target's going to be way up here at 61.54. Now it's only $1.24, but that's a pretty big move. That's the average true range on this is only $1.33, so that's a whole day's move just for target 1. Target 2 is going to be up here at 62.07. Target 3 is up here at 62.59. Target 4 up here at 63.02. So now we'll take a look at Pepsi. And we take a look at the year. The year hasn't looked too great. Quarter, obviously same chart. They're very similar on the current candle. On the month, we're kind of trying to form a hammer here. If we can close a little bit higher, up in like this range, we'll probably be looking at a true hammer. So let's see how we can close out this month with Pepsi here. And on the week, very similar to Coca-Cola. Inside week, huge green candle. So we're looking for a break above 162.93. We don't really need to even go down to the daily chart for targets on this because they all kind of align. But target 1's 165.15, target 2 is 166.50, target 3 is 169.12, target 4 is 169.98, target 5 is going to be 172.99, and target 6 is 176.66. So that's what we're looking for. You see the daily, it's kind of taken off the last few days. XLP, take a look at XLP. On the year, not great on the year. On the quarter, not a great candle, obviously. On the month, we've had 3 2-downs in a row. They have closed towards, well, I guess they closed towards the middle, closer to the middle. This one here is a little bit higher than the middle, though, so far. And then we'll take a look at the weekly. What I do like is it's kind of come down to the 21 moving average and bounced. So it kind of held that level. Big, huge inside candle on the week. So we're going to look for a break above 74.26. And we come down here, look at target 1, 75.79. Target 2, 76.31. Target 3, 76.86. Target 4 is 77.21. Target 5 is 77.46. Target 6 is 78.18. So I mentioned the components of XLP. I've already talked about Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Let's take a look at Costco. See how it looks on the week. Not an actionable signal here in the weekly, but the weekly does look very good, but there's no actionable signal on it. You see we went inside month up, so that's good. That's a nice sign for that. No actionable signal on the daily either, so I'm not really looking to trade that one unless it's something intraday scalp. Oops. So similar with Target, kind of looking at the same thing. The weekly, we're outside week, and actually we broke inside week, so you'd be looking for a target here. So if you find a setup on a shorter time frame for this, you could look for a target up here around 229.19, Right now we're at 226.05. You look for a setup on maybe the 30, 60, even a 15-minute. Look for a setup to jump in, and as long as the market's green, XLP's green, you could look for a target up here this high here. Procter and Gamble was the other one. Walmart, I think, was the last one I had. And there's more than just those. When I set up that watch list, I just set up the ones that I'd be interested in trading. We're inside week on Procter and Gamble. I didn't flag this one because I don't usually play this one. Take a look at the year, quarter, month, and then the week. So you could look for a break above this inside week. Target 1 would be here. Target 2, target 3, target 4. You can come down to the daily if you want to be more conservative. What would our entry be on the week here? 151.79. If you look at the daily, 151.79 is right here. So you'd be looking at target here, target here, target here, target here, and then target here, target here. If you want to use the daily for targets. Walmart's the other one. Let's take a look at Walmart. And Walmart actually went 2-2 reversal on the day. The magnitude's going to be up here at 147-ish, 146.94. If you look at the week, we've had a few good weeks in a row up. So nothing really actionable here, but again, Walmart, similar. If you find a setup on a lower time frame, you can look for the daily target up here. So thanks for watching. Hope it works out for you. Hope you guys make money on it and learn something from it. And see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.